Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.35 in politics, a notable uptick compared to our historical baseline. This isn't just noise. It's happening amidst a backdrop of zero momentum over the past 24 hours, signaling a potential shift in public opinion that's worth your attention. With 17 semantic clusters identified, you can dive deeper into the nuances driving this sentiment. Imagine you're building a dashboard for a political campaign. By leveraging our API, you'll get comprehensive insights that allow you to tailor messaging that resonates with emerging public sentiment, optimizing your outreach strategy in real time. For more detailed information on how to integrate this into your projects, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.